the Vice President, Vice President Osibanjo and his dear wife. And may I also recognize the representative of General Buhari, who sent his former secretary to the government, Boss Mustafa, to represent him. And may I recognize all of you eminent and distinguished men of God that are here. Ladies and gentlemen, excuse me, I think there's something getting wrong here. Yes, but usually I do not like to speak when the priests have spoken, because it is their duty to instruct us and to ensure that we have the message of God, and for us to look into it and to try and digest it. Sorry, I think something is wrong. Well, so I'm asked to, sorry. It's okay, sir. Yeah, no, it's all right, I think. Please forgive me. I think it's just, I'm asked to respond to all the good speeches that were made, the preaching, and all that you... Maybe just greet the people, that's it. No, that's all. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Please forgive me, I think something went wrong just a moment ago. So I'm to respond, and there is no need for me to respond, because all probably what I would like to say was said by those who spoke before me. But I would like to appreciate all of you for coming to celebrate my 90th birthday today. And I appreciate all that have been said about me by all of you. And honestly, I must admit, what I have done or what I have achieved cannot be achieved by, it is not my own doing alone, but it is the support of all the people of this country. And I would like, to say thank you all for the support you've given to me, the prayers you've given to us, for the peace and stability of this country, and for the good, of the people of Nigeria. And we did our best. And I can assure you, as I've said, yes, but for the support of the people encouraging me to go ahead. Like when, my name was written, Gowon, say, what is the meaning of Gowon? And I said, I know the meaning of Gowon, but let me read this little message, on one of the papers. It might be probably the Observer from the Midwest at that time. And when I read it, it said, go on with one, it says, go on. And I said, do you know the meaning of go on? And so I said, well, let me see what he meant by that. And when I read it, and it says, go on with one Nigeria. My goodness. I was absolutely, surprised. And I said, so that is the meaning of Gowon, that I should go on with one Nigeria, and that is what I've been thinking about. And that made me really determined to make sure that, yes, we kept Nigeria together. And all Nigerians assisted me, all Nigerians from all parts of the country assisted me to keep Nigeria one, and we did it. Even though we had to fight an unfortunate civil war to keep it together. But in the end, we did so. And as far as I'm concerned, yes, it is not a question of defeating any part of the country, but ensuring that yes, they are back into the country, and that it is Nigeria that really won in the end. Nigeria was the victor, not from any part of Nigeria over the other. And I thank God for that. And we must continue to work, and as Nigerians, the best we can. Please forgive me. I don't know what has happened, but all of a sudden, might be age. Age is sort of catching on me. So forgive me if, in fact, things did not go correctly the way that I wanted. But I want to thank all our fathers in the Lord, senior fathers in the Lord. Let me thank all of you for what you've done for this particular service to celebrate my birthday. God bless you all, and continue to pray as you ask us, continue to pray for Nigeria. And, I will probably myself continue like you are doing to pray for Nigeria. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.